Peace and joy, it's the nature of your kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy, it's the power of your kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy, it's the nature and the honor and the system of your kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy is flowing from the Father of lights. Oh, righteousness, peace and joy is the civilization of the kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy is flowing from the Spirit of life. Righteousness, peace and joy, peace and joy, peace, the peace of God, the peace of God that surpasses all understanding, the peace of Yahweh, the peace of Yeshua, the peace that overrides our life. Righteousness, peace and joy. This is the order. This is the order. This is the order of your kingdom. Of your kingdom. We are living in the system of your kingdom. Of your kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy. It's the nature. It's the nature. Righteousness, peace and joy is the order, is the order. Righteousness, righteousness, peace and joy is the nature of your kingdom. Righteousness, peace and joy is the order of the king. We receive the joy of the Spirit of life. We receive it day by day, day by day. We are growing in the joy of the Spirit, in the joy of the Spirit. Oh, we are living above depression. We are living above worries and anxiety. We have escaped the system of the world, and we are coming to the joy of the Spirit of life. Oh, righteousness, peace and joy. It's the nature, it's the system. Righteousness, peace and joy. It's the nature, it's the righteousness. Your righteousness will make a man upright, will keep the upright in heart. All you require is justice and righteousness and judgment. You say, let not the strong man glory in his strength. You say, let not the wise man glory in his wisdom. You say, let him that will glory, let him glory that he knows me, that he knows me, that he knows me. But I am a God that exercises loving kindness in all the earth, in all the earth. But I am a God that exercises tender mercies in all the earth. seek my judgments, because they seek my status, because they seek my face, because they seek my face, because they seek my way, because they seek my way, because they know me, they know me. I am a God. The church is the poor. I am a God. The church is the poor. I am a God that exercises loving kindness, that showeth mercy, that showeth mercy. This is my kingdom. This is my kingdom. This is my kingdom. Established in truth, in righteousness, in justice and mercy, in justice and mercy, in justice and mercy. This is my kingdom. This is my kingdom. It's a stream flowing from my throne. It's a stream of righteousness, passing men who walk before me and be perfect, and be perfect. So I called my servant Abraham, and I say, walk down before me. Even so I'm calling every man, walk down before me. Oh, come to the Lord God of Jacob. Oh, come to the Lord God of Israel. Come, oh, come and learn the system. Come and learn my statutes. For the commandments of the Lord is pure. For the commandments of the Lord is pure. Command to the soul. Command to the soul. Making wise the simple. Making wise the simple. My word is able to make you wise, to make you wise unto salvation. I want you to receive the end of your gates, the salvation of your soul. I want you to receive the end of your gates and the salvation of your soul. So this cause I have purchased you. I have purchased you. You are bought with a price. You have been bought with a price. You are the precious blood of the Lord. You have been bought with a price. You are no longer your own. You are no longer your own. You have become my beauty, my holy habitation. I am seeking for a dwelling place. So I have purchased you with the precious blood of my Son, that you may come into my family, that you may learn justice and righteousness. But this is what it means to know me. This is what it means to know me. To know me. To know me. To know me. 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 Know the manner and the nature I have given you. Understand the nature. Understand the nature you have received. That you may know my ways and be faithful in all my house, even like Moses. That you may know my ways and be faithful in all my house, even as Moses. For this is the honor, this is the manner and the character of my people. This is the manner and the character of my people. In my city, nothing that maketh offense shall enter away. Nothing that once more.